Good afternoon, friends. This is Amitav here. In my next blog, I am going to show I've just entered into the stadium, the recently constructed Narendra Modi Stadium inside the sports complex, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Sports Complex. So you can see back side is the Sabarmati River and this side is a practice ground. So this is the newly constructed stadium. So I'll quickly take you all around. So today is day 2, 25th of February 2021, the test match between India and England. So as you know, the India is batting for first innings there on 99 for 3, whereas yesterday, if you know the score, England scored 112, they all out. And quickly I'll go ahead, I'll see what else I can do here. मेरे साइज का है क्या?
हाँ,
डबल एक्सल दिखाइएगा. So I'll quickly show you. So this is the t-shirt that is used for whenever India plays in Australia, especially in Sydney. So this is the t-shirt. So this t-shirt reminds me of 1992 World Cup that held in Australia. So this is the exclusive store here. So the brother is showing here. How much is the price for this one?
1600.
1600, right?
MPL Sports.
Okay, sure. Just give me a second. So I'll quickly show you here. So this is a brand new stadium here, Narendra Modi Stadium. So yesterday the name was given by the Gujarat government. So here is the ticket, guys. So you can see here. This is a ticket for day 2 India and England test match here. Lucky to be here. So today is 25th of February 21, and this is a day-night test match, the pink ball test match. And just you can see the back side of the stadium. Here is the stadium, guys, and just to the back side you will see the river front. So, and by the way, I just want to let you know, this is the world largest cricket stadium and still is under construction. The other side, the sports complex, is still under construction. So you can see here, guys. So that side is the Sabarmati River. So very good view here. So definitely this stadium is going to create much and much more history in coming years. So thank you. And this stadium, the old stadium was existing here. The one of the famous, when Sunil Gavaskar scored 10,000 runs. This is the one during when the old stadium existed here. Sunil Gavaskar, the legend of India, scored 10,000 runs on that match here. So that was a great achievement. I'll quickly show you. So now I'm going to take you inside. So now I'm going to take you inside the stadium. So you'll see. So this is the first time I'm entering. Let me see how do I react. So now we are entering into the world largest cricket stadium, recently constructed. That looks great, and you can see already the fans are gathering. Oh, this is awesome. Beautiful ground. You can see the team India is practicing onto the extreme left, and onto the center you can see England bowlers on roll. This is awesome. Brilliant stadium. I've also seen the match in Melbourne. So before this, the MCG was one of the largest stadium, and of course the largest stadium in terms of capacity in the world. But once this stadium inaugurated yesterday, so it takes over that. So this is the largest stadium with capacity of 132,000 people can watch a match into this arena. So you can see here, great view. I think it's great to be here. Beautiful stadium. So I'll quickly take you all around, guys. So this side I'll quickly move. So You can see that both the teams are practicing at the moment, and so this is one of the best stadium, I mean, of course in India, but this can give a more comparison into the world if you see. So inaugurated yesterday with our president Mr. Ramnath Kovind ji, and also this stadium was a very popular site when Mr. Donald Trump, the former US president, came over here. So great. Let's show you here. Yes, because it's security reasons, so they are not allowing to go there. That's fine. That's the thing we have to respect. And you can see both the teams, the England team and the Indian team, are practicing at the moment. So as you know the score, guys, as I told previous, so the England are all out for 1-1-2, and in reply the Indians are 99 for 3, where Pant, Gill, Pant still to bat. So Shubman Gill, Cheteshwar Pujara and Kohli, the 3 people who got out. So let's see how it goes here today. I mean, I don't know, I don't want to come into the match controversy regarding the pitch as you saw in Chennai. So let's see how it goes. After day 2 I'm going to comment into that. Thank you everyone. And also this stadium, the next match will be held here from 4th of March, and with conclusive 5 T20s and rest 3 ODIs in Pune. I'll quickly show you. So this is the constructed stadium, yesterday inaugurated by our president. So great to be here. So, I have seen a match, lots of stadiums. I have seen a match in Melbourne also. So yes, this is the stadium. I can say this having all the basic infrastructure with 76 corporate boxes. If it's comparison with MCG is quite unique in his own way, but this is definitely one of the marvelous piece in India. Thank you everyone. Stay connected. This is Amitabh here, exclusive for my YouTube channel. Thank you.